Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change a photo background using Gemini. So simply go to gemini.google.com and you should want to navigate to the images tab. You can find this at the left hand side of your screen. So you can either generate an image from scratch or you also have the option to upload an image. So let's go ahead and click on this plus button right here and let's click on upload files. So now simply navigate to the photo you'd like to change the background of. So let's say maybe this one. I want to click on open and I'm going to describe the output that I want to be able to see. Change the background of the image without making the subject stand out too much. I want the new background to be a simple plain purple background. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and specify exactly what you need or want to see in your prompt. This is your chance to really customize the output, but I'm going to keep things simple for the sake of this demonstration. So now that I'm satisfied with my prompt, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter on my keyboard. So usually what happens is Gemini will take a minute or two to analyze the image, and then it's going to rework that image based on the description you've given it. So as you can see, that actually finished very fast. And you can see it pretty much followed the exact instructions that I gave it. So here's the original image. And then as I asked it to, I just wanted the new background to be a simple and plain purple background. So this is really useful if you just want to extract, let's say, a subject from a picture. That way you get to use that picture for something else, like maybe a social media post, a poster, or maybe a thumbnail. So it's really quick and really easy. All you really have to do is make sure that the photo you are working with is reasonably clear and is under the file size limit. So that's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.